We've also got a premium accessories combo from the Imagine store in Bengaluru.
Tell me all your dreams align. I can take the truth. Call me out if you think I'm never slipping. Maybe I can turn it around. Right here if you just need to cry. Since you fixed me, I'll never forget your time.
Hey everyone, welcome back to DuoVlogsIndia, your favorite channel for lifestyle and tech content. Today, I'm unboxing the iPhone 16 Pro Max in the stunning desert titanium finish. And it's not just the phone. We've also got a premium accessories combo from the Imagine store in Bengaluru. I'll show you everything that came with the phone, talk about the unboxing experience, and share my first impressions. And don't forget, more in-depth videos on this device are coming soon, so stay tuned.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the truth. Call me out if you think I'm never slipping. Maybe I can turn it around. Oh yeah. Baby, if you want us, you know time is on our side. Things are gonna haunt us, we'll just have to Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away.
What if I told you the iPhone 16 Pro Max is the future in the palm of your hand? Let's dive in. Say hello to the iPhone 16 Pro Max, the titan of tech, featuring a sleek titanium design and a stunning 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR display. This beauty isn't just about looks, it's tough with ceramic shield protection. Photography buffs, rejoice! With a 48MP camera and 4K Dolby Vision video, your pics and vids will be jaw-dropping. And with photographic styles, you can tweak your shots to perfection, then switch it up anytime you want. Speedsters, you're covered with nationwide 5G and faster charging than ever. But wait, there's more. Apple Intelligence on the iPhone 16 Pro Max keeps your tasks streamlined while keeping your data safe. So, ready to level up your tech game? Get the iPhone 16 Pro Max.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this first look at the iPhone 16 Pro Max in the stunning desert titanium finish. There's so much more to explore about this phone, and I'll be bringing you detailed updates on its features, performance, and camera capabilities in the coming days. So make sure you stay tuned. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, share it with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe to DuoVlogs India for all the latest updates and reviews. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, take care and stay awesome. Bye.